So welcome back, guys. So we're just gonna jump straight into the course layout, what you will be learning. And please, guys, like I said, take notes while you're going through this course. And while we're gonna start, the course will become more advanced. So first we're gonna set up you for success with a proper broker. The broker that I'm currently using is the RIF, and I will prefer and recommend you using that broker as well. Then we will set up your MetaTrader either on your phone or use your computer, but I'm currently using it on my phone and computer. You can use it as well. So but I will prefer you guys can use whatever will make you feel more comfortable. In chapter 2, guys, we're gonna dive more deeper into the understanding of the voltage 75 market. Where does the market come from, what moves the market in, so on. Then we will take a look at time frames, time frame correlations, and merge basically more into key levels and moving averages. So second, we will take a look at moving averages. Moving average is basically indicators. So with this indicators, guys, you will basically see how amazed the VIX75 respect and react to the key levels is so much different than a forex or in either other indices markets. In chapter 3, guys, we're gonna dive more deeper into price action. So we're gonna take a look at price flow, market structure, volatility zones, trend lines, and reversal patterns. So chapter 3, guys, will be really important. In chapter 4, guys, we will take a look at entry candles, how you can enter your trading position. Then we will take a look at our retest. So this is going to be something that you guys must basically apply with this retest strategy, guys. Probably make a lot of money, and you can too once you basically cover all of the basic steps that you will learn in this trading course. And then we will wrap it up with proper risk management, because why you cannot trade once you cannot manage your risk. We will teach you a proper risk management trading strategy that you can apply. So after risk management trading strategy, guys, we will basically wrap it up and put everything together so you guys can be ready for this trading course. So yeah, guys, this is it for this video. So in the second video, we're gonna jump straight off into set up your broker, and after set up your broker to chapter 2, we will basically get started with this trading course, guys. I hope you guys still excited, and please don't forget to take notes while you're going through this learning course, because why it will be really beneficial for you, your family, and for yourself. So guys, with no further ado, see you in the next video.